What's up, YouTube? Back at it with another one. Hey, look, this is how we're going to end the year with this video. Now, I'm going to post more videos, but this is how we're going to end this year. Hey, look, everybody knows, all that stuff you've been talking about, you're going to get started with 2026, you're about to do. Believe me, you're talking about it right now. It's like today is what? November 7th. You're talking about it right now. You about to tell people, we all know what's about to happen. We know they're about to tell people everything they're about to do, execute on, finally get done. We know what's about to happen, literally right now. As soon as December 25th hit, y'all know what's about to happen. Probably be the 20th, but whatever's whatever. I don't understand when you can get started right now. What's the point of... That's like, literally, imagine me now saying it out loud how y'all do it. Yeah, bro, I'm going to finally be a better and new person when the new year starts. That's how I'm going to look at you. Like, you're not going to start right now? So who are you right now? Oh, a lot of people won't admit that right now. But my thing is, and purpose for this video was to just execute right now. Why? The thing is, what I know about this compound interest of just life and getting better with self-development, bro, you're going to take losses in 2026 trying to be a better you. Business, whatever, work, whatever. You're going to take losses. Why would you wait and then don't know how you're going to react? Why not take the losses now on becoming that person today and learn how you're going to develop yourself so you can get a head start? It's really about getting a head start for me why I made this video. If you're not going to execute, bro, and thinking you're planning something for 2026, it's cool, but only the real ones know that's really going to get it done. You start now. You've been talking about reading the book or getting started reading. I love books. I literally just sent some books to my cousin. That's all I talk about. I sent them some bundles. The books I'm not even going to tell y'all the price. For like 5-6 business books though. And people the person selling it understood the assignment, but people don't understand that's how you get the knowledge, the books. Oh, you have to actually go through the process of learning what you're trying to do. My opinion, and this is the real shit that I've seen, and I've started plenty of business, and it has worked. I've never had anything really fail. I failed, but the business never failed. Cool. Get started. Make the mistakes. Execute. Know you're gonna fail. I don't care who you know in business, these entrepreneurs acting like they don't take losses. Bro, I buy stocks. I buy crypto. I invest my money everywhere. You're gonna take a loss. I'm literally looking at the box truck right now because this is what it's about, so you'll understand. Box truck right now. Cool. Y'all know I've been doing that. Getting the money. But yesterday, I just got a trailer. New trailer. So now I'm going to invest in another cargo van. So think about this now. I got a trailer because y'all know I do move in, move out. I just got the trailer forward. I was moving stuff in the box truck. Now I got a trailer coming with me. That means I can move even more stuff to increase my business income. And it's not like I'm telling y'all, I got to go get the trailer. Yeah, can't wait to go get the trailer, guys. No, I got it right here looking at me right now. Y'all know the next short, get ready for the short. I'm going to do a short on how I'm making money with it. I've already made money with it, but I'm going to explain that in a different video. Y'all see me making money with the trailers on the videos. It's all about execution and how fast can you do it. I was going to make a bold statement, but I got to stand on it. If you started your business right now today, and then by next year, you should have developed and grew. I finally understand now. It's about longevity for me. But it's mainly about now. How fast can I do this in a year? All my goals, anything that I said I was going to do, I did it. I did a lot of goals. Y'all know. Y'all seen it. Y'all seen me do it and don't even know. Bro, a year to do everything. If you gave yourself a year to do everything, can you do it? Are you going to attempt to try it in a year? We all know it. Sometimes it's too much. But I finally figured out if you really narrow them goals down and actually make 2 strong goals, focus on 2 things that you're going to do. Don't That's what people go wrong at the most. Y'all see, I can just do a video and really talk to y'all. I don't have to write this shit down. We all going through it. So it's like, you have to understand we all going through it. My old list, y'all can go back to them videos 2 years ago. I was writing down 10 things to do every day. When I wake up, I usually do it before I go to sleep though. I hate to wake up and make a list. I really do. Cause then it's like I'm gonna wing it for the day, but I'm not winging it. As you can see, I'm planning it. But I love to do my list the night before. I was writing. Hey, you can get started like this if that's how you gotta get started. I will write down 10 things I gotta do today. Could be clean the house, do the maintenance on the box truck, maintenance on such and such. But it has to get done today. All to work out, everything, meditate, 10 things. Now, that helped me build consistency and discipline. Like I literally, before I just got on here, bought some. Like it's easy. It's already embedded in me now. I've been doing it for years. But now I'm looking at it because I told y'all, what can you do in a year? It's no way, as I know now, you're going to be doing 10 things, different things every day. That kept me going in where I needed to be. But if you're going to focus, you can do it in a year. It's proven. If you're looking to start your brand, anybody that's talking about brands, YouTube, TikTok, all of these things, all you got to do is start recording. Why you think they're procrastinating? Because the thing is, you got to start from the bottom. Most people don't want to start from the bottom. Like, go look at these shit. Mine, for example. Bro, I wasn't making money on YouTube 3 years ago. I stayed down. Y'all see, and this is from an organic person. I didn't know anything about these guys were doing. I'm like, that's what they've been doing the whole time? I've been in industries with guys that are competing. I wanted to get there. That's how I'm obviously knowing. That are already, and you're right here in their industry. Y'all see me start the vending machine business, all these business. And I'm like, but one thing about it, my vision was always bigger. I always knew I could do it. I don't know if you can, but guess what? Are you strong enough? Can you handle it? Most people want to become an entrepreneur in these things, bro. It's so easy to say I'm a boss. But now let's go down the list of what are you actually a boss at? What are you the CEO at doing? I hate that boss word so much. That's why I had to stop for a second. Because it's like, bro, I don't care about calling myself none of that. I'm a person that helps people. As you can see, I do these videos. I help people because I was once in that position. I love to hear somebody say some motivational and then I can tell them my side of the story. When I meet my new customers, when I meet my customers and interact, this is the energy they get from me. I'm coming to help you. What do you need done? That's all and I'm coming to do 5-star work, nothing less. Now, if you got your opinion on something I did, me personally, I love to tell my customers, come to the side. Come here. Now, do you see anything I need to do before I leave? So you can't say anything. I asked you before I left. But that was to help me get better. Most people are just doing it for the money. Nah. As you can see, I really do. Bro, you have to love what you do and know you're going to get better. I can get, and saying it out loud right now, I can get better at helping people. Most people don't even want to help people. They want to try to help themselves. But they don't know, in my opinion, it makes you look bad. Especially if you don't even have it all together and you're not helping people. Nah. But like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think.